Hello everyone, this is Aya from Hinawi Software. This is just a short video as a demonstration for you into getting started with the Hinawi Software desktop application. So at the beginning, when you open the Hinawi Software desktop application for the first time, you might get confused among the different features and menus and icons. It might seem a little bit complicated, but it's very simple. It's not hard to get along with those features and menus. Basically, the first step which you must keep in mind is that those icons right here are just the same as the ones in the menus, but they're just there as shortcuts. So basically here, when we want to create a new employee or go to, for example, the employee list, we have to go all over the manage employees menu and then create single, while from here we can easily just go click on the icon and click on create new employee. So the first thing which you should keep in mind is just that those icons are just like the menus exactly. Second step into getting started is to know here that you can switch between Arabic and English instantly with just one click. And the last thing which will help you get along with the system is the more information which is displayed at the end of each menu. So if you want to understand more about each and every menu, all you have to do is just go click on more information where you can read more about it, where you can also see diagrams, PDFs, manuals, all those things which will allow you to understand the menu which you are interested in even further. And of course, don't forget to check out before you start using Hinawi software from here, which contains a full PDF in order to just get started with actually using the system, such as importing important features and a balance, for example, or employees, or setting up the settings regarding each and every module, the templates, the requirements, all those other types of important points to make sure they're fine before you actually start using the system. So that was our topic for today. It's pretty simple and easy, just straightforward for you, especially if you're using it for the first time. Subscribe to our channel and like this video, and see you in our other videos. Thank you.